Welcome to Let's Accelerate, friends. My name is Tariq and I'm back again with a new video of auto calculation. So in this video, we are going to talk about a lot of things. In the previous videos, we learned introduction of auto sum and auto average. So in this video, we are going into the depth of auto calculation, which will make your task super easy. And you can have a lot of time which you can spend with your friends, your colleagues, your family, or wherever you want. So let's go to the database. This is the database we have on which we are going to do a magic of auto calculation. So we have to do so much on this data. Let's discuss about that. So this is the data of a shop and this is the list of the branches of the shop, and we have to calculate the total quarter sale for the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Similarly, we also have to calculate the average and the highest quarter sale and the lowest quarter sale of each quarter. And we also have to calculate the shop A individual sale, shop B, shop C, shop D, and we have to calculate the average and the maximum and the minimum sales also of each shop. So this is the task we have to perform and we have to save the time also. So how to do it? Let's get started. So guys, to perform these tasks, we have to start from the total sale first. Because I want the total sale, so I just need the result in this area. So I'll select this area, the entire area, and I'll click on auto sum. For those who are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like this video. So the next task is to get the average of each quarter. So here's the magic. What I have to do is I have to select the area from B2 to E7 because this is the sale I have, and I just need the average quarter sale. So what I'll do here, I'll click on drop down button and I'll select on average, and this is how I got this average. So let me verify. Let's verify first what exactly we are getting, is it right or not. So let me check whether we are getting the correct total or not. So what I'll do is I'll just click the select area. I'll select the area, and I can see that the total is matching over here, and the average you can also check, the 22110 is also matching. Okay, so let's see the minimum, the highest also. To get the highest quarter sale, I'll have to click on auto sum drop down and click on maximum because maximum is the highest. And to get the lowest total, I'll have to select that area once again, and I have to click on minimum option and I'll get the answer. So if you are not able to see the minimum and the highest, the maximum, so you'll have to click on this one and click in this button, and you will be able to see those. 113763 is the minimum. That's true. That's what it shows over here, and the maximum is also matching over here. So let's go to the individual shop sale. So what I need to do is, like we did over here, before we go to the next calculation, did you notice one thing, that when you select this data, you get the result over here. It shows the result in the blank cell. If there is no blank cell over here, like if you left the cell blank, so the result will be entered over here. So make sure there is no blank cell in between. Okay, so like we did over here, we selected the total area where we wanted a total sale. So I'll select the same over here. Everything is good, going good so far. I'll click on over here and I get the total. But what if I have to get the shop average? Will it work? Let's see. Okay, I have selected the area. I'm going to the average. Oops, what happened? It showed over here, like I already said, that it will show. It will throw the answer downwards if you select the entire range. So you will have to delete this one because this is not what we want. Okay, so let's delete it. Okay, now how to get the average of the shop? So we'll have to do it individually. Like I'll have to select the total quarter sale of shop A, and I'll click on average. This is how we got. Similarly, I'll have to click once again on the same area and click on maximum, and I'll get the maximum sale of the total, and I'll get the maximum sale. So I'll have to click once again my range, and I'll go to minimum, and I'll get the minimum sale. And we already have discussed this, that when to copy the formula, we can scroll down and we'll copy the entire formula, and I will get the right answer. And if you want to verify it, we can use the same technique, and you'll get the correct answer. Okay, you can also copy the formula with you can select the entire area where you want to copy the formula and press Ctrl. We already have discussed those in the previous videos. If you haven't watched, please go to our playlist option. You can see those videos. Okay, so let's do this in a different way. Let's select I2 once again, and let's do this. Let's do minimum over here. Did you check that it's selected from B to H? But this is not what we want. Actually, we want from B2 to A2. So I can either do it from mouse. I'll have to wait for that dragger option, and I'll hover on the mouse till I get that option. This is what I got, and I'll drag it to my range, and I got the right range. Now I'll hit enter. I'll copy the entire formula downwards with Ctrl D. Okay, what if I have to do the same with the keyboard? So I'll select I2 once again, and I'll go to minimum, and I'll click in between the range, and I'll remove with the backspace and enter E instead of H, and hit enter. This is quite easy. So this is how we can use auto calculation to reduce our manual efforts. So this is not all, guys. Today I have a task for you. I'm sharing the same file without calculation. So you need to download that file from the link in the description of this video, and let me know through comment section that how much time did you take to perform this task. If you think this video was helpful, so please hit like button, and also subscribe our channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching this on Facebook, so please follow and like our page, and links are available in the description. So till the time, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Let's accelerate.